Does he? Oh man, he's touching the shit rag that's already on the ground. Are you kidding?
Look out.
Scrubbing that dookie.
He got shit on his Ultima. He's pissed, dude. Where's he going?
He still shut the door. He's got to put his booze in.
He's gonna ask some people.
What
He's
people?
gonna walk into Bob Evans and ask.
No, he ain't. He's gonna get back in. He's gonna get back in because he don't know what.
Put the camera down.
No.